Welcome, all the learners. This is going to be the second last interview before reaching the finish line, and I'm pretty sure this is going to motivate and inspire you a lot as she has done a great job. For last 6 months, she has been working really hard, and now you can see the results. So let's begin.
Good evening, Akansha.
Good evening, Akriti.
What's about you?
I'm fine, and what about you?
I'm also good.
Okay.
Okay, Akansha, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Akansha Kanswal. I'm studying in class 12th. The name of my school is Government Girls Inter College, Karan Prayag. Basically, I'm from Kasua, but recently I'm staying in Karan Prayag for last 11 years. And my hobbies are playing badminton, doing Bharatnatyam, and reading books, etc.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, Akansha, please share the most memorable moments of your life so far.
Okay, firstly, I have so many memorable moments in my life, but as you asked me the most memorable moment of my life, so one of the most memorable moment when I was 15 and my whole family and I also went to Kausani, and in Kausani, because I went with my whole family, so we enjoyed a lot. And in Kausani, we went to the birthplace of the great Hindi poet, Mr. Sumitranandan Pant. And after that, we went to the Anashakti Ashram, where Gandhiji stays for 2 weeks in 1929, and they described that place, the Switzerland of India. So we enjoyed a lot with my family. I enjoyed a lot with my family. Yes, that was the one. That was one of the most memorable moment of my life. Akriti.
Oh, that's nice. It means you enjoyed a lot with your family.
Yes.
Okay, Akansha, when was the last time you forgot to do something?
Okay, it was when I was in class 10th. I forgot to do my homework of English subject, and our Joshi sir, who taught us English on that time, scolded all the students who didn't do that. They didn't scold me because it was the day of my birthday. I
Oh.
feel I feel happy, but bad as well, because more or less it was only because of my negligence. Yeah.
Oh, that was the last thing you forgot to do
Yes.
something.
Yes.
Okay, Akansha. So my next question is, for how long have you been part of such classes?
Yeah, I have been part of these. I have been joining these classes for last 1 year. On September 2020, I was taking these classes by UUP, by Nitesh Jhasa, and after that break of a month, I started join classes on March by Arvind sir. So it's about 1 year. Yeah.
Okay, Akansha, what changes have you experienced after joining these classes?
Okay, I have experienced so many changes in me. As earlier, I do so many mistakes in my grammar structures. Or now I speak little bit fluently, and the big thing is that my basics are clear now, and I don't hesitate to speak, and it also helps me to communicate with anyone, with someone. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Have these classes also helped in your academic field?
Yeah, absolutely. These classes also help me and my academics. Since I am in class 12, it helps me in my grammar as well. And I am sure that it will. I'm pretty sure that it will help in my future as well. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, Akansha, what message do you want to convey to the upcoming students?
Okay, I want to convey a message to the upcoming students, those who haven't joined yet. Please join these classes by Uttarakhand Nutan Prayogshala. All the students of Uttarakhand who are watching me, please join these classes, because the teachers teaches us by zero level, and the way they teach us is really very great, and it is free of cost. And please join these classes as soon as possible, because it will help us in our academics, and also help us in our future as well. So yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's all right, Akansha. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time also, and thank you so much for listening me.
Thank you.
Despite coming from a Hindi medium school, if she can do it, now it's time for you to think about it. And I'm pretty sure you can also do it.